So this is pretty cool. I received this box out of the blue from Microsoft. So let's take a look at what's in here. Wasn't really expecting this. Let's go ahead. But this is appears to be pretty awesome. Hopefully. Let's see what we got in here. Come on, Mr. Tape. Alright. So hopefully that's in camera. Can't really see. So first thing we got here is oh man, a lockpick kit. That's cool. So for those of you who don't know, this is like one of the things that we do now in security. See, Microsoft Security is we work on our skills of problem solving by picking locks. So it's pretty awesome. So I can't wait to learn, tinker around with this, and this is the new sexy way for us to learn how to, well, the new fidget tool, if you will. You go to a lot of conferences now and they have lockpick villages and stuff, so this is awesome. Very cool. I think this is another small portable lockpick kit. And then, of course, the keys for those locks. Awesome. Wow. All right. Oops. So let's see what else is in this box. Here's a look at this bag. Nice little cinch bag. It looks awesome. Microsoft Security. Oh man, some desk puzzles. Look down there. There's another one in there. Oh, these are so cool. And then, I guess the last piece here is some type of shirt, it looks like. Oh, wow, that is awesome. So not only is it a shirt, it's a hoodie. And it has the Microsoft security symbol on it. And look at the inside of the hood, it's colored. This is nice. And Microsoft Security on the sleeve there. And then it's appropriate. It's that time. Oh, it's got the kangaroo pouch on the front, so it is a true hoodie. And yeah, so I will be rocking this thing, especially now that it's starting to get cooler here. So thanks Microsoft Security for all the gifts. I'll be playing around with all of this and rocking this hoodie because it almost has like a tribal look to it, doesn't it? Yeah, it's very cool. So thank you so much for this, and I'll let you know what I'm doing with this stuff.